Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We are so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe having a cup of tea.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about something very special. We are looking into the future. Today, we are talking about our dreams. So, Bella, when we say the word dream, it can mean two things. It can be the stories in our head while we sleep, or it can be our goals for the future.
That is a great point for our beginners. Today, we are talking about goals and wishes, things we want to do or be in the future.
Exactly. So, Bella, when you were a little girl, what was your big dream?
Oh, Alex, it is a bit funny. I wanted to be an astronaut. I wanted to fly in a rocket and walk on the moon.
An astronaut? That is a very big dream. Why did you change your mind?
Well, I realized two things. First, I am very bad at math. Second, I get very sick on airplanes, so space was probably a bad idea.
Yes, being a sick astronaut would be very difficult. What about you, Speaker One? What was your dream? I wanted to be a famous rock star. I practiced the guitar every day in my garage. I even had a name for my band.
Oh, what was the name?
The English Muffins.
That is the least rock and roll name I have ever heard. No wonder you became a teacher instead.
Okay, maybe I'm not a rock star, but I still have dreams. One of my biggest dreams is a travel dream.
Oh, I love traveling. Where do you want to go?
I want to travel across South America. I want to see the mountains, eat the food, and learn a little bit of Spanish.
That sounds amazing. We call that a bucket list item. A bucket list is a list of things you want to do before you get old.
Exactly. My bucket list is very long. What is at the top of your travel list, Bella?
I want to go to Japan during the spring. I want to see the cherry blossoms. I have seen pictures and the trees look like pink clouds.
I have seen those photos too. They are beautiful. Would you go alone or with a friend?
I would love to go with a friend. It is more fun to share a dream with someone else. Maybe we can go together and teach English in Tokyo.
That sounds like a dream job.
Speaking of jobs, do you have any career dreams? Now that you're a teacher, what is next?
I have a dream of writing my own book, a book to help people learn English through funny stories.
That is a wonderful dream, Alex. You are very funny, so I think people would love it.
Thanks, Bella. What about you? Do you want to open your own school one day?
Maybe, but my personal dream is actually more quiet. I want to have a big house in the countryside with a very large garden.
A garden? For flowers?
Flowers and vegetables. I want to grow my own tomatoes and carrots. I want to live a simple, peaceful life.
That sounds very cozy. You could invite me over and I could play my guitar in the garden.
Only if you change the name of your band.
Sometimes dreams are about learning something new. For example, I've always wanted to learn how to cook like a professional chef.
But Alex, you can't even make toast without burning it.
That is why it's a dream. I want to go to a cooking school in Italy and learn how to make perfect pasta.
That is a great goal. My skill dream is to learn how to paint. I want to sit by the ocean and paint the waves with waterbeds. I mean watercolors.
Watercolors is the right word. It sounds very relaxing.
It is important to have these dreams because they keep us excited about life. Even if we are busy with work, we can think about our future skills.
I agree. For our students, their dream might be to speak English fluently.
And that is a beautiful dream. It opens so many doors. You can make friends from all over the world.
Bella, do you think dreams just happen, or do we have to work for them?
I think we have to work for them. There's a saying, a dream without a plan is just a wish.
I love that. So, for our students, what is the plan to speak English?
First, set a small goal. Don't try to learn everything in one day. Maybe learn 5 new words every morning.
Second, practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Consistency is key.
Third, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are just steps on the way to your dream.
That is great advice. I'm following that plan for my cooking dream. I haven't burned the kitchen down this week, so I'm making progress.
You know, Alex, I'm glad we can talk about these things. Some people think dreams are silly.
People who think dreams are silly have forgotten how to be happy. You're never too old to have a new dream.
That is true. Even my grandmother started a new dream recently. She's learning how to use a tablet so she can video call us.
That is amazing. She's reaching her tech dream.
Yes, although sometimes she just calls me and I see her ear because she doesn't know where the camera is.
Well, she's trying. That's what matters.
Alex, do you think you will ever reach your rock star dream?
Maybe not on a big stage, but I'm a rock star in my own head every time I sing in the shower.
I pity your neighbors.
Bella, what should our students use when talking about their dreams?
Use phrases like, I hope to, I wish I could, or my goal is to.
For example, I hope to visit London next year, or my goal is to watch a movie in English without subtitles.
Also, use the word future. In the future, I want to live in a warm country.
And don't forget the word achieve. To achieve a dream means to make it true.
It is a very powerful word. I want to achieve my goals.
Before we finish, I want to say something to everyone watching. Your dreams are important, no matter how big or small they are.
I agree. Whether you want to be an astronaut, a chef, or just someone who speaks English well, keep going.
We are here to help you with the English part of your dream.
That is why we love making these videos for Ready Talk. It's our dream to help students all over the world.
Well, Bella, talking about dreams has made me feel very inspired. I think I'm going to go practice my guitar and maybe cook some pasta.
Good luck with both. Please don't hurt yourself.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation today. We hope it helped you think about your own dreams in English.
What about you? What is your dream? Do you want to travel, learn a new hobby, or move to a new city?
Please let us know in the comments. We love to hear your stories. It's a great way to practice your writing.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It helps Ready Talk reach more people with big dreams.
And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Join our community and let's reach our goals together.
Thank you for practicing your English with us today. You are doing a wonderful job.
We will see you in the next video with another fun topic.
Until then, keep dreaming and keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.